Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted, but we're back and we're gonna be better. So I just got back from a work trip yesterday, so I have some errands to run today. I gotta get his nails cut, need to do some laundry. I'm gonna do some laundry now before I leave. Need to get some oil because my friend's gonna change my oil. Need to get that in the filter. And I need some gas in my car because I'm at 11 miles. Yeah. So so come with me. He's laying I'm already closed. But we're about to do some laundry before we leave out the house. So yeah. I'm gonna take y'all along with me, so stay tuned. Alright y'all, I'm getting gas right now and it's pumping hella slow, so I'm by the way in the car because it's cold outside. I got him in the back seat. Say hi, Prince. He's looking at everybody else. But after this I'm probably gonna go to Walmart. I need to get a few things. I need to get some excuse me, I need to get some wipes and something else I forgot. Something else I can't remember right now. Then after that, we're gonna go get his nails cut because he needs his nails cut. I need to go to AutoZone and get my oil so I can get my oil changed. So yeah, I think it just finished pumping. I feel it. I put 30 in my shit. My car was empty. Oh my god, y'all, it's freezing. Why is this man walking by my car? Anyways, y'all, we just got gas. We just filled up. I guess 30 wasn't enough. My shit was at 7 miles, y'all. Cause I got paid literally at 9 o'clock, and I got home a little bit before 9, so I gotta wait to get gas in the morning. But, I'm about to go to Walmart and get what I need to get, and I'll see y'all when we're back in Walmart. Alright, y'all, I am here at the dog place. They have so much stuff here. He's getting his nails cut right now and trimmed because his nails tend to grow his nails grow so fast. So I finally found the rabies certification so that I can get his nails cut. So yeah, I got I picked up the oil at AutoZone and the filter, so we're good to go with that. And that's all the errands I needed to do for today. So kind of early. It's only at 10:56. So yeah, I will come back when he is finished. Alright y'all, we just got his nails cut. You want to show them? I wanted them to do the not the cut, the cut, but also the other thing, because his nails grow really fast, but they didn't do that. They couldn't do that because he didn't like it. So I'm about to go back home. Probably might get some different tropical smoothie and get him a little pop cup and get his nails cut. So yeah. Alright y'all, we have made it to our next destination. We are at Tropical Smoothie. I'm gonna get me an acai bowl because I haven't had one in a while. So that's what we're going to get. I get the strawberries with mango because I'm not a fan of bananas, and I get the regular acai. So, yeah. We got acai bowl. I got no bananas and no blueberries, and I just got mangoes and strawberries. So y'all, this is how it looks. I gotta get him a pup cup because, yeah, he's been good. So yeah, I don't know if I have a cold or if I have the flu or what. But I normally don't get sick like at all. And I just happened to get sick, and I'm still sick. I've been sick for like, I want to say a month now. Just coughing, congested, all that other stuff. But y'all, I'm about to tear this up. And then I'm about to go get him a pup cup, and then I'm gonna go home. And then I'll come back to y'all when I get my oil change or whenever I do something else. So yeah, peace. Y'all, look what he got. A pup cup. Alright, y'all, I forgot to end my vlog yesterday, so we're gonna do too much of a vlog of today. We're at this second apartment we're touring. We just seen the first one. Give it like a 7.5 out of 8. We'll go more into detail after we have one more apartment after this. After that, we're gonna let y'all know how it's looking. Right, babe? So now we're gonna see the other one. I'll let y'all know how it looks. Yeah, that would be it for me.
All right, so this is the 800 square foot, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, a regular unit. Not rented, correct. So in a minute, I'll take you to the second floor and then you see the upgrade in the kitchen. And then here you will see how the vaulted ceiling is on the top floor. Then when I take you to the unit below, you will see the flat ceiling across. Yeah, so we inquired earlier about a balcony, which we don't have, but this is considered a sunroom. Okay. So if you want to create a little office nook, I don't know if you crate the puppy when you gone, I mean, the crate could be here so he has a little bit light, you know.
What do you think?
We almost done it. Almost, honey. This is not fun for you, is it?
It is cold. A little closet area. Washer and dryer.
This might be one for us to take the carpet.
Right. Ooh. Sorry.
This is a 2-1 model. This one is fully upgraded one. It's like you're missing one bedroom. Consider you have everything here and you're missing one bedroom. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And you can take a video of the picture that we have. That's the partially renovated we have for the 1295. These 3 pictures.
Do you know which one will it be?
No. That's why we show the pictures so you can have an idea. But the last one is a fully upgraded one for 1475.
This one?
Mm-hmm. The same layout you find your dining, separated from your kitchen, everything. You're just missing one bedroom on this side.
Okay.
I like to renovate.
Yeah, I do too.
With partially renovated, you don't know which partially renovated you're gonna get.
Yeah.
But there was one partially renovated, I don't know. Which room would it be that's taken out?
Taking out, we're gonna
Take this one out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And you have everything else for you.
It'll be this type of closet? Like a,
Some have walk-in closet.
one walk-in closet.
Which floor? This is the crane roof, so this is the one that is 686 square feet. So the main difference between this one and the Holderness is that the Holderness has a very large bedroom. So that's pretty much it, but the layout is the same. You have the same kitchen layout, same dining room layout, same living room layout. It's just that the bedroom is very, very large. It will be on the first floor, and it will be exactly like this.
Includes the washer and dryer.
Yeah.
So just carpet in the bedroom?
Just carpet in the bedrooms.
A decent sized closet. This go to the
So
balcony.
the Crane's Roost, yes. So Crane's Roost has double access. You have the door in the living room, and then you have the door in the bedroom. The Holderness will not have a second patio door, but with the Holderness, if you have like an extra like 2 feet, it's like a little den space kind of in the bedroom. It's very large.
Closet is the same?
Closet's a little bigger,
A little bit.
but the bathroom is the same way too. This will look exactly the same.
So the towels and stuff will go.
It's a big tub. I don't know.
Do the clothes on?
Utility closet for AC and water heater.
And storage right here.